Good morning, good afternoon, o good evening, o anumang oras na napanood ang video ito. Welcome sa ating channel, Matuto Dapat. Um, our topic this day is about probability rules. So we have to understand the probability rules in the subject probability. Number one, addition rule. So in probability, mayroon ding addition rule. This probability is finding either two events happening. So if number one, if events A and B are mutually exclusive. So the probability of A or B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B. So mutually exclusive, ibig sabihin magkahiwalay po 'yon, no? Magkahiwalay na yung dalawang events. Uh, Example 1, rolling a die. So find the probability of getting a 2 or 5. So the probability of getting 2 is 1 over 6 and the probability of getting 5 is 1 over 6. So therefore, that is 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 or 2 over 6. 2 over 6 or 1/3. So our final answer is 1/3. Kasi dapat naka-lowest term po yung ating final answer. Number 2, if events A and B are not mutually exclusive or ibig sabihin mayroon common, no? Common sa dalawa. So the probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus B, probability of B minus the joint probability o yung common, no, of the probability of A and B. Example, drawing a card. Probability of heart or face card. The probability na heart plus the probability of face card is minus the probability of heart face card. So, ibig sabihin, kukunin natin yung probability ng heart, that is 13 over 52. Plus, yung probability ng face card, that is 12 over 52, since mayroong 12 na face card, the jack, the queen, and the king. So, under a total of 52 cards natin, so 12 over 52. Minus 3 over 52, since ang heart face card ay tatlo, with jack of heart, queen of heart, and king of heart. Kaya tatlo. So, yung common na heart siya and then face card, mina-minus po natin. And that will become 13 plus 12 minus 3, 15, that is 22. The common denominator is 52. So 22 over 52 or lowest term natin 11 over 26 or divided by 2 both sides. Example 3. What is the probability of getting a king or spade card from a deck of 52 cards? Solution, let A equals king and B is spade. A and B or yung common ay king of spade. Yan po yung common nila. No? So the probability of A or B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. So ang probability ng A ay 4 over 52 since mayroong apat na king over 52 deck of cards. No? Ang probability of B ay 13 over 52 since mayroong 13 na spade. Okay? Ang probability ng A and B o the king of spade ay 1 over 52 since isa lang po ang king of spade. Okay? So the probability of A or B is 4 over 52 plus 13 over 52 minus 1 over 52. So that is 16 over 52 or 4 over 13. So yun po yung ating answer. Roman numeral number 2, the multiplication rule. Probability of both events occurring together is joint probability of A and B, and written as the probability of A and B. The probability of the intersection of two events is obtained by multiplying the marginal probability of one event by the conditional probability of the second event. The rule is called multiplication rule. Okay, Roman numeral number 1. If events A and B are independent, okay, take note of this, independent ang ating dalawang event. So the probability of A and B is equals to the probability of A times the probability of B. Example 4. Flipping 2 coins. So dalawang coins po ang ating ihagis. What is the probability of heads in both? So pwede pong heads parehas, no? And The probability na head po yung isa ay 1/2. Yung isa naman, head din ay 1/2. So 1/2 times 1/2 equals 1/4. So that is our answer. Example 5. If the probability that a man will alive in 50 years is 0.65 and his wife is 0.72, then what is the probability that the husband and wife will be alive in 50 years? Let A ay husband and B is wife. The probability of A and B is the probability of A times the probability of B, and that is 0.65 times 0.72. So therefore, the probability that the husband and wife will live for 50 years is 0.468. So yun po yung ating answer. Roman numeral number 2, if events A and B are dependent. So dito naman, sabi natin dependent without replacement or may common, no? Common. Or the event A is already occurred. Kaya to find the event B, so affected na siya because A is given. Example 6. The table below gives the classification of all employees of a company by civil status and educational attainment. If one of these employees is selected at random for membership on the Employee Management Committee, what is the probability that this employee is single and a college graduate? So our row ay civil status, the single, married, and widow. And our column is the educational attainment, the SHS graduate and the college graduate. So we have a total of 325 employees. Let A as single. Single po ang civil status ng employee. Since yun po ang hinahanap natin. Ang B ay college graduate. Siya ay single and siya ay college graduate. So the probability of A is 140 over 325 is equals to 28 over 65. And then, the probability of B, given A, since nakuha natin single, it's 140, and the intersection dito nila, so yung intersection ito kasi nanap natin, ay 75 over 140. So, 15 over 28. Okay? So, multiply natin, the probability of A and B ay 28 over 65 times 15 over 28 is 15 over 65. So our answer is 15 over 65 or 3 over 13. Alright? So this is our activity na gagawin ninyo. No? So pwede kayong magpatulong sa mga kakilala ninyo o sa mga taong marunong sa probability problems. So there are 6 problems, no, ang inyo pong sasagutan. Maraming salamat, no, sa inyong panonood, and patuloy nawa kayong tumangkilik sa ating pong YouTube channel at manood palagi sa mga video natin para mas marami kayong matutunan in terms of mathematical problems. Maraming salamat. Pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon.